If you have a short visit to Samoa Apia and want to explore it on your own, keep watching. As soon as you dock at the Apia cruise terminal, enjoy a warm greeting with traditional Polynesian songs and welcome dances. The first on my list is Palolo Deep Marine Reserve. It's a great place to visit. Its location is perfect and the entrance fee is reasonable. There are restrooms, changing rooms, showers, big swings, and a picnic area. It's well shaded and it's a perfect spot to sit and enjoy nature. The water is crystal clear and heavenly warm. The coral reef, full of marine life and corals, is located very close to the beach, 100 meters. But you have to go there during the high tide. If you go there during the low tide, it will be a struggle, as the reef is very shallow. Watch my full video about it. And check on this website to see the tide fluctuation times, so you go there at the right time. Plan to spend there at least 2 hours. Another great thing to do in Apia is to explore the city. You can take a free shuttle bus or take a pleasant 20 minutes walk. Just walk along the beautiful waterfront of Apia Harbor and you cannot get lost. The city is clean and well maintained. While you're walking and exploring Apia on your own, nobody will bother you or try to sell anything. Local people are friendly and respectful, so you will feel safe, unbothered, and relaxed. Enjoy the scenery of nature and keep walking straight until you run into the Samoa Cultural Village and Visitor Information Center. As Samoan culture is ancient, over 3,000 years old, and well preserved, taking the Samoa Cultural Village tour is a must. It is informative, fun, interactive, and very inexpensive. It takes about 2-3 hours to get a well-rounded experience of the Samoan life and traditions. Unfortunately, when I got there, the tour was already over, so you make sure to make the prior arrangements online or at the visitors center located right there on Beach Road. Another amazing attraction you cannot miss is to check out the Immaculate Conception Cathedral. It is breathtaking, huge, and very impressive. The entrance is free. As soon as you reach the town clock tower, you can turn around and slowly start walking back towards the cruise ship. Depending on what you are interested in, you may enjoy 19th century colonial architecture and modern buildings, stores and supermarkets, casinos, monuments, and different churches. While walking along the beautiful beachfront, you can check on some local bars and restaurants. Once again, you will be completely unbothered and can thoroughly enjoy your drink and the local ambience. Just to let you know that the drinks are not cheap there, but it's a nice stop to rest and refresh before getting back on the cruise. I hope you liked my video and found it useful. Please like and subscribe so we can stay in touch and travel and explore together in my next video.